All right, hi guys. Sorry I can't be there today. I'm on a field trip with some newspaper students. I just want to walk you through kind of your instructions for today. So our announcements are pretty much the same. Make sure that you are ready for the open note quiz over the lottery on Monday. Today you have two things you need to work on. You're going to watch this video, obviously. Hopefully you're doing that right now. And then you're going to complete lessons 1 and 2 in the blue Developing Vocabulary Skills packet, which should be on the table. And then you also need to do your SSR, and you should be on shape number 6 by now. So make sure you're ready for all of that. So you're doing vocabulary lessons 1 and 2 today. Make sure that you have that blue packet in front of you. And you should also have a green book titled Developing Vocabulary Skills. Both of those are on the table. You should have them already. You're going to need to turn to page 2 in your book and then flip to the first page in your blue packet. If you want to pause and get there, that would probably be smart. So lesson 1 is going to be over compound words. So a compound word is going to be made up of 2 words like base and ball. We have 2 separate words there. Book and store. Down, town, and then cell. Can you guess it? Can you guess it? It's phone. Okay, cell phone. Cell phony. Sorry about that. Anyway, so we're looking at words here that are made up of more than one other word, but they are one word when you put them all together. And then if you broke it down and you had to describe what a base was, it's going to be the plate that's used for people to tag as they run. And then a ball, obviously, round toy used to throw around. We put those together and we get what makes up pretty much the game of baseball. Cell, short for cellular, and obviously phone is what we used to call people. So we have a cellular object that's used to call people, i.e. a cell phone. Down is the location, opposite of up. And then town, place where people live. And then book is a thing that you read, and a store is a place that you can go to buy things. This is what you're going to be asked to do in the first part of lesson 1, is just kind of break down what these words mean together. I know it seems kind of elementary, but it's actually a really helpful skill when you come across a word that maybe you don't know, if you can break it down and find out or pull a word that you do know in it. So that's why we're practicing that. So we have the word drop out, a compound word here. To drop is to let go or to fall, and then out is going to be the opposite of in. So to drop out is like letting go of being a part of something or letting go of being in something. And then homework, compound word here. Home, place that you stay, and then work. So we have work that you do from home, basically. Very simple, right? And then the second part of lesson 1 is just going to ask for you to combine them into one sentence. He didn't do his homework, so he is now a high school dropout. Pretty simple. I think you guys shouldn't have any problems with that. Lesson 2 is going to be prefixes and suffixes. So the words in English are formed by adding what's called affixes to root words. And then root words are base words, like work. An affix is a group of letters that are attached to the front or back of a word to change the meaning. And I'll show you an example here. So we have a base word, work, root word, right? And then if we added the letters re, in front of work, we get a whole new word, re-work. Re is an example of an affix. It's actually a prefix, which is a type of affix, because it comes before the word. Before the word. Okay, so we have our base word, our root word again, work. Then we're going to add ER at the end to get the word worker. It's another affix. This one's called a suffix because it's coming at the end of the root word. So we have prefixes that come before, and then suffixes that come after. And then affix is just a fancy word for both of those. Suffix and prefixes are both affixes. So to complete both of these lessons, you're going to use your book to help you. Lesson 2 has a front and a back side. Make sure you do both. And then when you get to the back side of Lesson 2, in the back of your book, starting on page 241, you'll find meanings for root words that will help you with the back page of Lesson 2. Some of those words can be kind of complex, or you might not know what those root words mean. Instead of Googling the whole word, I want you to turn to the back of the book onto page 241, and you'll find those root words. Lastly, make sure you're not leaving this worksheet blank. So don't look at it and be like, meh, I don't really get it. I'm just going to blow it off. You need to have it filled out. I know you can do it. Ask for help if you need it. You have friends around you. I'm sure people understand it. Please don't come to me on Monday. Yeah, I see you Monday next, right? Please don't come to me on Monday and say, Miss Semmel, I couldn't do it. Try, okay? Try your best. You can handle it. So for homework, obviously the vocabulary needs to be finished. And then you also need to complete your notes and your reading for the lottery on your own. Make sure you are annotating that story. Hint, hint. Okay? You're going to have a quiz on Monday. Make sure you're ready to go. If you guys have any questions, concerns, email me, semmel, S-E-M-M-E-L, at ladouschools.net if you need anything, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great weekend, guys. Be so safe. Get your homework done.